Hello, welcome viewers. This is class 3 of easy method of calculation of the time in seconds required for a movement of vehicles in opposite direction. In this special case, we have trains moving in the opposite direction. See, the question is, if the train A of length 130 meter is running 56 kilometer per hour, and in the next track another train B of length 110 meter is running 62 kilometer per hour. Both A and B are running in the opposite direction. In what time in seconds will they be clear of each other? That is at the very moment of just facing each other and clearing away. The overlap is nil during that period. Let us see how it is working. The one simple model of a train moving in the opposite direction is indicated in the figure. The two trains are traveling in opposite direction into adjacent railway track, and its velocity or speed is expressed. The first is having 56 kilometer per hour, and the second one is having 110 meter, 62 kilometer per hour, and the length also is given. The first one is having 130 meter, and second one is having 110 meter in length. How to solve such problems? So we have that almost a picture to have an idea of how they are moving in the opposite direction, and the overlap, how just the overlap is clear away. Okay, if then the train are moving in opposite direction, that we know. Then what happens? The relative speed is equal to 56 plus 62 is equal to 118 kilometer per hour. That is, the two trains are approaching in different tracks at the rate of 118 kilometer per hour. So we have to first convert as before the kilometer per hour into meter per second. The relative speed is equal to then 180 kilometer per hour is equal to 118 times 1000 meter divided by 1 hour is equal to 60 times 60 seconds. So on simplifying, we'll get the value as 32.78 meter per second. Now we want to calculate the time in second required to cross completely after the moment they meet, and the total length that can be calculated from the total length of the train in meter divided by relative speed in meter per second. We have the relative speed of the train calculated in meter per second as is equal to 32.78. With that in mind, we can simply calculate this problem. That is, time in seconds required to cross completely can be equal to total length of the train, that is the combined length, 130 meter plus 110 meter, that is equal to 240 meter. Then we have the relative speed in meter per second, that is equal to 32.78 meter per second. So we have 240 meter divided by 32.78 meter per second, that is equal to 7.32 seconds. Therefore the answer is 7.32 seconds. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.